Hey guys, Brendan here from Rogue Fabrication. We're talking notchers today. This is the Versa Notcher's big brother, the Ultra Notcher, available now at roguefab.com, and let's go over what's new about it. You guys can find all of the details, all of the comparisons, and the full description for this Ultra Notcher in the description below or at the product description at our website, roguefab.com. But okay, so let's talk about some of the cool features anyways. So we got a dual pivoting head. This allows you to get much further angle cuts. Also, we put the degrees on the top up here instead of down here like on the old Versa Notcher, which would get all covered in chips and you have to keep wiping it off just to be able to read what you're doing. And this new degree indicator is all the way down to 1 degree resolution. The other one was 2.5. As far as I know, this is the tightest resolution on a notcher yet. Tube range for this notcher for you guys so that you'd have more versatility in your shop and be able to bring in more jobs. It goes all the way down to 1/2-inch tube, all the way up to 3 5/8 tube. So now just continuing on with versatility, we're gonna talk about the jaw mechanism. This has a lower jaw that is not fixed. On the old Versa Notcher, it was fixed. With this being adjustable, it allows you to horizontally center your tube. But we also still have, just like on the old Versa Notcher, your vertical center. So with those great features already described, between your vertical adjustment, the degrees being on the top, having a whole another 50 degrees of range of motion, all the way up to 270 degrees from the adjustable lower jaw and the dual pivoting action, this thing is just a beast. It's overall bigger, heavier, more rigid. It's plated so it won't rust. This piece is stainless steel. Everything is just upgraded and more advanced than the Versa Notcher. Okay, so that just about concludes this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next episode of the Ultra Notcher series, where we pit this against the Versa Notcher and show you all of its details up close and personal. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.